A rocket of mass 6000 kg is fired from Earth with speed of 1 kilometer per second. What should be the rate of ejection of gas? So dm upon dt is rate of ejection of gas, so that it moves with initial acceleration of 20 meter per second square. Take g equals to 10 meter per second. See, a rocket of mass 50 is fired with this much. What will be the so that it moves with acceleration of 20? What is formula for force? Rate of change of momentum, correct?
Yes, sir.
Which is nothing but d by dt of m into v, है ना?
Yes, sir.
अब ये किसका मोमेंटम होने वाला है? सिस्टम का, जिसमें से गैस निकल रहा है. So this I can write as m dv by dt plus v into dm by dt. ये गैस के वजह से मोमेंटम आया.
Yes, sir.
The mass of gas is given. I don't know mass of gas. Gas is ejected with constant speed, so dv by dt of gas will be 0.
Yes, sir.
And it is coming out with 1 kilometer per second bola hai. That means 10 raised to 3 meter. dm by dt you have to calculate, and this is producing mass into acceleration in the rocket, which is 6000 kg. So it will be 6000 kg into 20 equals to 10 raised to 3 dm by dt. 1 2 3 I can cancel with 10 raised to 3. So it will be 120 equals to rate of ejection of gas, 120. 120 option D.
Answer is given 180.
Yes, sir.
Answer is given 180. Something we went wrong. 6000. It is 6000 into 20. Let me check whether option is correct or incorrect. This is some number 26 we are doing. Huh? One mistake I did. This acceleration is not a, it will be a plus g, no? When it is moving up against gravity. A plus g you have to write. A plus g will become 30. 180. Very important. Because they have taken take this gravity. You can't neglect this. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So force exerted on the rocket of mass 6000 is m into g plus a, because it is moving up, so it has to overcome g and then move up. So g plus a. Then you want some number 36, I think.
Yes, sir.
वापस वही वाला है शायद ना, एक्सेलरेशन वाला ही देखते हैं वापस. Some number 36 after 26, 36. A rocket of mass. Yes, you have any doubt? Till 50, any doubt?
No, sir. I forgot to solve it. Sorry.
You didn't solve only?
No, sir. I forgot.
Then what you have solved?
No, sir. Yesterday I didn't do physics.
No, daily you have to do everything.
Yes, sir.
Because otherwise you land in the same trouble then.
Yes.
A gun, sum number 30. A rocket of mass 100 kg burns 0.1 kg of fuel per second. That means it is dm by dt of gas given. If the velocity of exhaust of the gas, velocity of gas is 1 kilometer per second, then it lifts with an acceleration of what? Then it lifts with acceleration of how much, that rocket? So again, F is for rocket rate of change of momentum, which is mass of rocket into G plus A, net force acting on rocket. This is d by dt of mass into velocity of the gas, which is giving upward thrust. That means 100 into G 10 plus A equal to mass into dv by dt plus dv into dm by dt. If something is constant, then its change in momentum, a change you have to take 0. So this is 100 into 10 plus A equals to mass of the gas. I don't know, but change in the velocity by which gas is emerging out is constant. So change in velocity is 0, plus velocity of gas is 1 kilometer. That is 10 raised to 3 meter. dm by dt is 0.1, which is 10 raised to minus 1. So this is nothing but 100 only. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this 100 and this
Yes.
100 I can cancel. So I will get 10 plus A equal to 1. Therefore A equals to 9. है क्या option 9?
The answer is 1. What they have given.
Sir, नहीं है option.
अच्छा नहीं option नहीं है, बराबर है. Actually क्या अभी G वो लोग ने दिया नहीं, तो we have to discard that. एक मिनट इसको डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे तो A is 10. फिर से एक बार लिखता हूँ डेटा. Sum number 36. Mass by which gas is ejected is 0.1 kg per second. So F equals to m into A. Now this F is mass constant dV by dt plus V constant into dm by dt equal to ma. So this will become 0. V is given as 1000. dm by dt is 0.1 equals to ma. So this becomes 100 equals to, what is the answer given you are saying?
1.
So 1, correct, आ गया. 100 equals to 100A, A equal to 1. 1 is the answer, correct. That means if G is not given, discard that. So it is moving up with acceleration of 1. Then you want, I think, 47 you said, no?
So 37 also.
37. See, homework and test is mandatory. एक बार lecture नहीं attend करेगा चलेगा, क्योंकि मैं recorded lecture भेज सकता हूँ. But test and homework is in your code. Please do it regularly. यश, hello Yash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Homework and test please do regular. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Sum number 37 also you want. Can you read Ashlesha? Sum number 37.
A bullet emerges from a barrel of length 1.2 meter with a speed of 640 meter per second. Assuming constant acceleration, the approximate time that it spends in the barrel after the gun is fired is what?
Okay. A bullet emerges out from the barrel whose length means distance covered is be 1.2 meter na, for that bullet with speed of 640. Speed of bullet is 640 meter per second when it emerges out. Assuming constant acceleration, approximate time it spends in the barrel will be after the gun is fired is within. See, initially bullet is at rest, na?
Yes, sir.
So I can use formula v square equals to u square plus 2s.
Hmm.
V square equal to u square plus 2s. Now a they have not given, but they are telling a is constant. So final velocity is 640 square. Initially it is 0 plus 2a into 1.2 meter long barrel. This is 640 into 640 upon 2 into 1.2 equals to acceleration. So 2 into 320, that will give a equals to 320 into 640 into 10 upon 12. 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are 32. So you can leave like this. Now we want time. So v is u plus at. A equals to v minus u upon t. A we got 80 into 640 into 10. B is 640 minus 0 upon time we have to calculate. So 640 I can cancel from both sides. So P equals to 1 upon 80 into 10. Therefore P equals to 640 3 divided upon 3. So that will be 3 upon 80 into 640 cancel. This is that 380 upon 10. So it will be 3 upon 8 into 10 raised to 2. Till this followed?
Yes, sir.
Just copy till this. So we can make one more step. I can write this as t equals to 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon 8. Or I can make it 30 upon 8 into 10 raised to minus 3. So approximately 8 4s are 32. Do we have this answer? 4 milliseconds?
Yes, sir.
That is the required answer. 4 milliseconds. Option. Hello? हाँ सर. हाँ 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 हाँ. तो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो बेस्ट ऑफ लग देते हैं. सर वो तो क्या इंडिविजुअल व्यू पॉइंट है ना. बेस्ट ऑफ लक मैंने इसलिए बोला कि हाँ तो उसमें क्या है. हाँ हाँ इसलिए बेस्ट ऑफ लक. नया चीज को तो बेस्ट ऑफ लक ही देते ना अपन. अभी तो डाल दिया है अभी तो, हाँ। नहीं अभी क्या हुआ अभी हाँ नहीं कुछ नहीं सर, वैसे भी कुछ नहीं होता आप उन, हाँ हाँ। नहीं वैसा नहीं है, वो ऑल द बेस्ट इसलिए नहीं स्टार्ट किया कि बेस्ट ऑफ लक मतलब बिगिनिंग के हिसाब से किया, कि ऑल द बेस्ट के लिए मैं इसलिए नहीं बोला क्योंकि वो एग्जाम में जाता है तो अपन बोलते हैं ना ऑल द बेस्ट। हाँ करेक्ट। नहीं नहीं ये तो सर मैं पहली बार थोड़ी ले रहा हूँ सर। तो, हाँ 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 हाँ। नहीं 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 सर, देखो अब मैं तो ऐसा केयर लूंगा, उसका वर्ड ऑफ माउथ को वैल्यू रहना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि वो अगर समझाए तो 10 जन को बोलेगा, लाएगा ना वो, है ना। आप टेंशन मत लो उसका, वो मैं सब पूरा कर दूंगा। अभी देखो सर कोई बात नहीं, वो अपने को तो मालूम है ना रिपीट को कैसे पुश करना है, उनको कैसे देना है, क्या टेस्ट लगेगा, हाँ वो कर लो। हाँ हाँ अच्छा हाँ हाँ अच्छा अच्छा हाँ। नहीं नहीं हाँ तो उसके उसका डोमिनियन में लिंक है ना सर, B1 में। हम्म, हाँ किसको मिल गया अच्छा 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 हाँ हाँ अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। नहीं, ठीक है ठीक है। हाँ हाँ हम्म। नहीं तो अभी क्या ऐसा है कि अपने को तो मालूम है ना, ये सब तो आएंगे अभी धीरे धीरे, तो अपने को अपना बेस्ट करना है बस, और क्या। वो लोग भी वही सोचेंगे, हम लोग भी वही सोचेंगे, उसमें जो एकदम बेस्ट हो गया वो आगे जाएगा। अब मैं तो वही बोल रहा ना, अपने को दूसरे के बारे में सोचना ही नहीं, अपन अपना काम करेंगे, खत्म हो गया बात। हाँ 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 यस यस यस, अपने को निगेटिव सोचना ही नहीं है ना सर। सर नयन का नंबर भेजना ना, मैं फिर बात कर लेता हूँ नयन से। हाँ हाँ करता हूँ सर, यस यस करता हूँ। हाँ नहीं कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं सर, वो मैं बच्चों को भी कर लूंगा बात। हाँ हाँ नहीं नहीं, आप नयन का नंबर दो ना, मैं करता हूँ बात। एक लेक्चर चल रहा है, वो लेक्चर खत्म होके मैं करता हूँ बात। हाँ मेरे पास नंबर नहीं है सर, आप भेज दो मैं कर लेता हूँ। यस यस करता हूँ बात, करता हूँ। जरूर जरूर करता हूँ, एक सम करके करता हूँ। यस 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 यस। नहीं नहीं डोंट वरी, यस। हाँ नयन से, नयन का ही बोल रहा हूँ, मैं करता हूँ बात, करता हूँ। ठीक है यार, ठीक है, बाय बाय बाय। नेक्स्ट यू वांटेड 47 ना?
Yes, sir.
This is one of the best sum, 47, very beautiful sum, 47. A bullet and before this now till 46 no doubt at all?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ठीक है, 47th best sum of this entire questions. A bullet of mass 10 gram, 47. A bullet of mass 10 gram moves horizontally with velocity of 400 meter per second strikes a wood block of mass 2 kg. So this is bullet, I'm taking small m and block as capital M, which is suspended by light inextensible string whose length is 5 meter. As a result, center of gravity of the block is found to rise upward, found to move upward by 10 centimeter. So center of gravity moves up by 10 centimeter. The speed of bullet when it emerges out from the block horizontally will be how much? What is meaning of that block moves up and center of gravity rises? So that means that talking about potential energy. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So when the bullet comes and strike this block, it gets embedded and moves up and then it comes out. पहले तो इसके अंदर चला जाएगा वो, बराबर? This condition is before and this is after. ठीक है? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
can I use law of conservation of momentum before energy here? Because ऊपर गया ना, height दिया है, इसलिए energy ले रहा हूँ. So by
Yes, sir.
law of conservation of energy, kinetic energy plus potential energy before equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy after. So this is moving with half mv square. हाफ, एक मिनट इतना लिख लो जगह, फिर रब करके फिर लिखता हूं.
Done, sir.
Okay. So there was block initially at rest and then it moves up to certain height. So I don't know with what velocity it is moving up. So it is given the velocity half for block, huh? That block is moving up, even block will have some velocity. But initial velocity of block was 0. Final velocity of block will become half m v1 square, that is getting converted into mgh. Correct? This much follow? For block? It
Yes,
goes
sir.
up to height.
Yes, sir.
Who gives that energy? The energy given by the bullet, half m v1 square. So from both sides I can cancel this m. Therefore v1 square equals to 2gh. So v1 is equals to root of 2gh. 2 into 10 g is 0.1. So this will become equals to root 2. So velocity of the block is root 2 when it reaches up to when the bullet was fired. Now using law of conservation of momentum, initial momentum of system equals to final momentum of system. System means block as well as that bullet. So mass of block into speed of block at that instant, that is before collision. Now mass of the bullet and speed of the bullet. will become mass into speed v1 after collision plus mass into v of that bullet after collision. So 0 plus mass of bullet is कितना दिया है mass of bullet?
10 gram.
10 gram means 10 raised to minus 2 kilogram into velocity is 400. This is mass of that gun is 2 kg, na?
Yes, sir.
2 into root 2 plus mass of bullet 10 raised to minus 2 into velocity. So we will get now, this is now 4 into only 4, 2 0 get cancelled, equals to 2 root 2 plus 10 raised to minus 2v. So 4 minus 2 root 2 equals to 10 raised to minus 2v. 4 root 2 upon 10 raised to minus 2 equal to v. 4 minus 2 root 2. Simplifying further. 4 minus 2 into 1.414 upon 10 raised to minus 2 equal to v. So 4 minus 2.828 upon 10 raised to minus 2 equal to v. 4.2.18828 approximately 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 8 is 1, 4 minus 3, this will be 3 minus 2, 1, 10 raised to 2 goes up, 100 equals to v. So 117.2, which is approximately 120 we can write. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
answer is 120 approximately. This is typical sum because we have used two things. First, velocity by which it is moving up that block, and then by law of conservation of movement.
Done, sir.
Yes. Now we are doing further sums 51 onwards. If you have no doubt till this. हेलो हाँ सर कुछ क्या बोल रहे हैं सर नहीं फिजिक्स पावर नहीं है अपना ग्रुप का नाम फिजिक्स पावर नहीं दिया अभी तक नाम दिया नहीं है एक्चुअली वो मेरा नंबर ना वो लोग उसमें इसमें होगा फिजिक्स पावर करके मेरा इंडिविजुअल का हाँ 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 नहीं मेरा तो मैंने देवेंद्र वर्मा नाम से किया है लेकिन मैंने ना ये एक बार ये साइट रजिस्टर कराया था फिजिक्स पावर के नाम से तो उसमें अभी वापस करना है शायद ये अवेलेबल है अभी फिजिक्स पावर हाँ हाँ सर वो अभी हाँ नहीं नहीं हाँ एक्चुअली मैंने भेज दिया अभी उसको तो डिलीट नहीं कर सकते चलेगा क्या अच्छा 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 नहीं मैंने क्या सोचा कि सिंस वी आर बिगिनिंग सो वी आर जस्ट गिविंग देम बेस्ट विशेस वो मेरा इंटेंशन था हाँ 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 ओके हाँ हाँ नहीं मेरा वो मेरा कैसा था कि सिंस वी आर स्टार्टिंग सो बेस्ट ऑफ ऐसा किया था हाँ हाँ नेक्स्ट टाइम करता हूँ नेक्स्ट टाइम अच्छे से करता हूँ अभी क्या लेक्चर चालू था ना उसके बीच में ही कर दिया मैंने यस यस हाँ ओके 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 नहीं नहीं सर करते हैं करूँगा हाँ 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 Yes, yes. Okay, thank you. Bye, bye, bye. Chalo, let us do now sum number 51. 51. A person holding rifle whose total mass is 100 kg stands on a smooth surface and fires 10 shots horizontally in 5 seconds. So a person holding rifle, total mass of man plus rifle is given 100 kg, stands on smooth surface, fires 10 shots in 5 seconds. Each bullet has mass of 10 gram. Muzzle velocity means velocity by which the bullet emerges out is 800 meter per second. Final velocity of the person and average force exerted on the person are. Final velocity, the mass of bullet and rifle together is 100 and mass of bullet is given 10. So force exerted on the person, can I write change in momentum per unit time? Force exerted on the person.
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but what? Mass of one bullet into number of bullet into velocity by which it is fired upon time t. Correct now? Because initially it is 0.
Yes, sir.
Mass of one bullet, number of bullet, velocity of bullet. That will become total momentum of the bullet
Yes, sir.
upon time. Mass of bullet is 10 raised to minus 2 kg. Number of bullet 10. Velocity by which it is fired is given 800 and 5 second में bullet को fire किया 5 into 2 is 10. So this is 16 Newton is the force exerted. 16 Newton. This much clear?
Yes, sir.
Now initially that person was at rest. So this force is producing change in momentum on that person in reverse direction.
Yes, sir.
Just copy till this. Copy.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
So first answer you got as 16 Newton. Rate of change of momentum as 16 Newton. Velocity of the bullet was given as okay. Velocity by which man will go behind will be equals to, see, I'm using this mass of man, velocity of man. Initially they were 0, so it will become minus of mass of bullet total mn bullet into its velocity. This is total bullet change in momentum. So velocity of that man is minus mn velocity of bullet upon capital M. We want average force and final velocity. Okay. So minus of m is 10 raised to minus 2. Number of bullet is given 10. Speed is 800. Upon mass, we can take nearly 100 because 10 raised to minus 2 is negligible as compared to this. So 1, 2, 1, 2 zeros we can cancel. So it becomes 0.8 meter per second, but in opposite direction. 0.8 meter per second in opposite direction. Okay. अभी देखो word average force बोला है, not force, average force. So we went wrong. We did total force in one attempt. ये average force मतलब एक एक बुलेट हमेशा देगा ना. See,
Yes, sir.
average force is given, not total force. So average force we have to determine. Average force into average displacement equals to change in kinetic energy, means work done wala concept area, because average they have asked. Now we know that this is nothing but velocity upon time. We know that displacement is average velocity is total displacement upon total time. So since we want displacement, so always average displacement is average velocity into time. So for average you have to divide by 2, otherwise you have to do by integration. This is nothing but half m v square, half m v square by 2 into average force. So F into one velocity, this 2 we can cancel. Time is given 5, 1 v I can cancel. So it will become v upon 2 v. एक मिनट हो जाता, फिर से नहीं बचा है. Till this it is done up, minus 0.8.
Yes, sir.
See, that answer is not wrong, but उधर word use कर दिया average force. So for average force we have to find average displacement, and displacement is not constant every time. ये clear कर देता हूँ. So we can say average work done equals to change in kinetic energy. That is force into displacement is half m v maximum square. So force into, this is same as v maximum upon 2 into t equals to half m v maximum square. एक v maximum cancel, 2 cancel. So F equals to v maximum into m upon t. Now v maximum, how much we got? V maximum 0.8 na, of that bullet rifle. So it is 0.8 into mass is 100 upon t. t कितना दिया है? 5 था. Hello, what is t? 5 na? Okay, 10.
Yes, sir. 5.
5.
5. So V in maximum is 0.8, mass is 100 upon 5. About 10 gram. कुछ mistake है यहाँ पर. Minus 0.8 we got na. So this 2 I cancel. Velocity into 5. V maximum is 5. Mass is nothing but 100. That will become 80 upon 5. इसके हिसाब से तो 60 हो गया. एक मिनट, इसको रोका दो, बाद में फिर से चेक करता हूँ. 52 we have done, na? $52 we have done. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come to 53. एक बार इसका ये कम का 51 चेक करता हूँ आंसर में मिस्टेक नहीं है. 53. Two blocks of mass 1 and 2 kg are connected by spring. Two block 1 kg 2 kg are connected by spring kept on a smooth table. The blocks are pulled apart so that the spring is stretched and released from rest. At certain instant of time, the block of mass 1 kg is moving with speed of 2 meter per second. What must be the speed of another block? So this is V1, this V2 we have to calculate at that instant. What is the speed of block at that instant? Both are tied with a spring. What is the speed of block at that instant? So initially they were at rest. So by law of conservation of momentum, initial momentum equals to final. Initial 0, final 1 into 2. It is going on the left side. This is going on the left side. So negative plus this is 2 into V2 on the right side. Therefore, we can say positive. So 2 equals to 2 times V2. So V2 equals to 1 meter per second. है क्या option 1 meter per second? Yes, we have 1 meter. A option is the answer. See here, common mistake, we'll try to find force, but because neither K is given nor this elongation is mentioned, so don't go by force. But we can go by momentum because initially system is at rest, then it is moving. At certain instant speed is 2 in first block, we want in second. By law of conservation, initial is final. Initial 0, final is vector sum of the two. So I have taken left side as negative, right side as positive. So we got answer as 1 meter per second.
Done, sir.
Done.
54. Working principle of rocket propulsion is. Rocket is based on what? Kinetic energy, mass, linear or angular momentum? Linear momentum. Na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
55. Second law and third law of motion will lead to the conservation of linear momentum. Will lead to the conservation of linear momentum. Because net force acting on system becomes 0, then it is obeying linear momentum conservation. 56. A bullet of mass 10 kg is moving with velocity of 300 meter per second. Hits a block of ice of 5 kg and drops dead. That means final velocity of bullet becomes 0. What is velocity of ice? This I think you can manage. Velocity of ice पूछा है. Mass velocity given, same. Initial momentum equal to final momentum. So initial momentum of the bullet is mass, velocity, ice ka mass, ice is at rest at the start. Then final mass of bullet, finally it comes to rest, mass of ice into velocity of that ice. Mass of bullet 10, speed is 300, this is 0, 0, mass of ice 5 into velocity of ice. So 3000 upon 5 is velocity of the ice. That will become, mass is 300 meter per second, bullet of mass 10 kg. बुलेट ऑफ मास 10 ग्राम है, केजी प्रिंट हो गया है. हेलो, दैट शुड बी बुलेट ऑफ
Yes,
मास
sir.
10
Yes,
ग्राम,
sir.
not 10 kg. So 10 gram means it will become 10 raised to minus 2 kg. So it will be 3 by 5. That is velocity of ice is 0.6 meter per second, 60 centimeter per second. Right, the answer 60 centimeter per second.
Done, sir.
Next one, 57th. A body of mass 1000 kg is moving horizontally with velocity of 50 meter per second. A mass of 250 kg is added, then find the final velocity. Mass of 50 kg is added, then find what is final velocity. Again we can say initial momentum equals to final momentum. Initially it is m1 v1, finally it is m1 plus m2 with new velocity we have to calculate. So m1 is 1000 into 50, this will become 1000, 250 is added. So 1000 plus 250 into v, 1000 into 50 upon 1250 equals to v. 5 into 2 is 10, 5 5s are 25, 40. A answer 40 meter per second. Forty meter per second. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we have actually not, we have done I think even 58, correct? Na?
Yes, sir. 58, 59 both.
58 we did, 59 also we have done.
Yes, sir.
60, 60 we have done. Chalo, 60 will do. I think 60 we have not done. Some number 60, let us check. एक मिनट, डायग्राम थोड़ा देख लो अच्छे से वापस. 60 kg. A body of mass 60 kg is suspended by means of three string P, Q, R as shown in the figure. Tension in P is how much? So this is wall. Is the rod. This is making 30 degree, 90 degree. This is P. This is given Q. This is block of mass 60 kg. This is given actually R, PQR. Then find what is the tension in P. Tension in P we have to calculate. This is 60 kg. Tension in P we want. Can we resolve this into two components? R wala? Hello?
Yes, sir.
For R, if you have two components, so one will be horizontal, other will be vertical. Na?
Yes, sir.
So this is tension in R, sine of 30. This is 30. This will be 30 alternate angle cos 30. And this will be TR sine 30. One. आगे अच्छा ठीक ठीक फिर 9 पे रखते हैं अभी उसको ठीक है so now this tension is nothing but mg so T in Q is equals to 6 T into G. Now TQ equals to TR sine 30 and T in P is TR cos of 30. We are interested in TP. So if I divide this TQ upon TP, TR cancel, I get tan of 30. Therefore, TP equals to TQ, which is 60 upon tan 30. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is how much? 1 by root 3?
Yes, sir. And tan 60 is root 3.
No, tan 60 we don't want, na? We want tan 30. See, sin 30 upon cos 30 is tan 30. No?
हाँ yes sir वो याद रखने के लिए बोला मैंने.
Okay. So 60 root 3 into G. That means 60 into 1.732 into G. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18 and 1 19. 6 7s are 42 and 1 43 carry 4. 6 and 4 is 10. And after ये 08, after 3 digit decimal 103.9 G. That is nothing but D option. Followed?
Yes.
Okay. So today we'll complete till this. You have to try. आगे का सम थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है वो नहीं देता आपको. Which one you all will try? आगे थोड़ा फ्रिक्शन आ गया. फ्रिक्शन I have to explain. Sum number 117 to 134 you try. Okay?
Okay, sir.
117 to 134 because they are based on circular motion. You can get the answer. 117 to 134 you try. Tomorrow again lecture same time. There I will start from 61 onwards then. All are friction based sum. First I will explain the concept, then I will start with the theory, with MCQs. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now till this
Yes, sir.
forward, everything, yes?
Yes, sir.
Kuch doubt nahi hai na?
नहीं नहीं